Just like we saw in the previous slide, we can find the area by using these squares as well. We simply begin by dragging the orange squares to overlap the blue rectangle, one at a time. Once we have them on our rectangle, evenly spaced, then we begin counting them. Because remember, area is the number of squares within a shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. There are 20 squares, or 20 square units within our rectangle. So our area is going to be 20 square units.